Hi there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix DoorDash payment error. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are using an acceptable payment method. So make sure of that, and if your card is accepted on DoorDash, then you can double check your card details and make sure that you are entering the right details. If you are doing that, then you can start with the troubleshooting steps that DoorDash has already provided. So, to fix this problem, you can basically clear the app's data if you are using an Android. If not, you can basically try to reinstall the app from your iPhone. So remove the app and install it again from App Store. If that doesn't help, you can try to check your internet connection, because this might be an internet connection issue. So double check that. And if your internet connection is working fine, you can try to contact DoorDash customer support. This might be an issue from their side, so the best thing to do from that point is to actually contact DoorDash and see if there's anything wrong from their side. So basically, this is how to fix DoorDash payment error. Super easy and simple.